Bonjour, mes amis, bienvenue. Hey, my friends, welcome back to the Language Tutor French. It's good to see you. I'm glad to have you on this episode. We're doing a little series of new tenses. And so this lesson and the next one are going to go together, okay? I'm going to cover the Passé Récent with you in this episode and in the next because I'm going to use them in two different ways, okay? Not difficult though. But you're going to like this. It's going to be cool because you're going to be able to bring this into your conversations. And I think this is really going to help you out. So let's jump right in and talk about what is the Passé Récent. First thing I want to tell you is that this is something has just happened. Okay, so think about in English. Something has just happened. You're using the word just, okay? And it's right now, okay? Now, this present form is something that is describing a current state, okay? It's kind of right now, or it's very recently, it just happened. Now, later on in the next episode, we'll be taking it back a little bit. But in this one, it's the current state, and it's talking about what has just happened right now, okay? So that gives you a little bit of an idea of what we're talking about. We're using the word just and, well, the English just. We're trying to translate that concept. Let me say it that way. So I'm going to show you how to do this in French, okay? Well, let's jump right in. I want to give you some examples of what I'm talking about. Now, I'm going to use 3 sentences in this episode. Now, I want to use these 3 sentences to demonstrate the structure, the idea, the concept of what we're talking about. And I'm going to use these in this episode and the next, okay? Here are the 3 sentences. First of all, I've just finished my homework, okay? Now it has just happened. That's the current state right now. I've just finished my homework. Okay, so we're just talking about how things are right now. Here's the next one. She has just told me. Okay, did you hear about something? She has just told me. Okay, so it has just happened right now. That's the present state. All right, and the third sentence I want to use is Robert has just left. Okay, just now happened. It's the current state of being is he has just left. Okay, now that you have 3 examples of what we're talking about in French, what kind of sentences we're making, I want to tell you that these sentences, this structure, the passé récent, is going to use this verb, venir, to come. Okay, it's going to use this verb as a part of the structure. So for that reason, I want to go over this verb in the present tense again. So let's put up our chart right there. And let's look at the conjugations of this verb in the present tense because that's what we're using. So first of all, the je form and the tu form are going to be the same. Je viens, tu viens. And then for the il, elle, and on form, we're going to actually just change that S to a T. You guys saw that coming. Okay, so il vient, elle vient, on vient. Now up on the top right, nous venons, we come, okay? And then vous form is going to be venez with that typical easy ending on there. And then at the bottom right, we've got the ENT ending that we normally put on there. All right. So now that we've reviewed these present tense conjugations, we're ready to start the structure. So if you need to hit pause and go over these really quick, feel free to do so. All right, but now that we have that done, let's jump right in. Let's bring up that first sentence that we did a while ago, and that is, I've just finished my homework, okay? We're gonna put that into French. Now, what I'm going to do first is conjugate venir, to come. I'm gonna conjugate that with je, with I. So what we're really saying is, I come to finish my homework. I think in English, we might relate this to, I have come to the realization. We use the verb come that way. So maybe this kind of helps you relate to what the mind the concept, the mind frame that we're in French with that English example? I'm not sure. I hope I'm helping you. But anyway, so we're really saying, I come to finish my homework. I have come to do that, but we're just using the present tense. Je viens de finir mes devoirs. Okay, so I come of, we're using of or from, finir mes devoirs. Je viens de finir mes devoirs. Now, you might also look at it like this: I come from finishing, because, sometimes we can think of that infinitive unchanged verb as an ing, gerund. Sometimes we can think of them that way. So I come from finishing my homework. All right, now let's look at that second sentence we did a while ago. She has just told me. All right, so really what we're saying is she comes from telling me. But where does the me go? It's actually going to go right before to tell, me to tell. So it's going to look like this. Elle vient de me dire. Elle vient de me dire. Okay, she comes from me to tell, or telling is what we're saying. Okay, so when you bring in that object, me or you or her or him, that's where it's going to go. All right, now let's look at that third sentence. Robert has just left. Robert comes from leaving, is what we're saying. Robert vient de partir. Robert vient de partir. Okay. Now, mes amis, that is how we do the passé récent in the current state, the present state. All right, in the next lesson, I'm going to show you how we do this in the past state, okay? Well, mes amis, thanks for hanging out with me. Please check us out on the Language Tutors French podcast and also on the website, languagetutor.co, and you can get downloadable written practices right there. You can just download and practice your writing. It's so easy. I'd love to have you come by the website too, okay? And hey, guys, I want to thank you for all your donations recently. I tell you, I'm just blown away. If you want to donate to the channel, just look right here on the channel. You'll see an About tab right down there, and just click About, and then you'll see how you can donate to the channel. We definitely appreciate you helping our channel. I'll see you very soon. I wish for you paix et bénédiction, peace and blessings. See you very soon, mes amis. Au revoir. Friends, thanks for watching The Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.